Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos and once again tuning in to this week's. This week's video is going to be a video of a new series that I am starting and I am super excited about it. So what I've decided to do is do a series called A Closer Look Into My Closet, and I'm not going to do them every single week, but I do probably want to do them every other week because I still want to do the DIY and sewing videos as well. But I am going to start it this week, episode 1, and this week's episode is going to be the rainbow collection in my closet. I have so much rainbow stuff in my closet and it's my favorite color. I guess it's not really one color, but it is for me in my closet. I like all the colors, so I have a ton of stuff to show you guys. I am not going to be able to show you guys every single rainbow thing in my closet, or we would be here for years probably, but I did pick a few things out of my closet that I like. There's so many different things I have to show you guys. A lot of it is clothing, but I also have accessories, I have fabric, I have bags, I have purses, I have necklaces. I have so much to show you guys today. And a lot of it is stuff that you can buy. I made sure that the stuff in this video you guys would be able to purchase as well if you wanted to go and get it. A lot of this stuff I did make, but if you guys wanted me to make you something, I can do that. So please let me know if you guys want any of these clothing items that I have made. I can try to find the fabric, I'm sure, because some of them are older, so I would have to check to see if the fabric is available, but if not, we can make something similar to that. That being said, let's go ahead and get into the rainbow collection video. The first item that I want to show you guys was kind of my inspiration to start this whole video series. So this week I found this amazing bag at TJ Maxx. I don't know if your TJ Maxx would have them if you do have one near you. You might be able to try Marshall's. Sometimes they have similar items, or maybe try to look for it online. But this rainbow on the front is like holographic and it's blinding. I love it. And it's got these really pretty hologram sequins around it, and the rest of it is pink, and it is a rolling luggage bag. So it's perfect for my height. I'm 5'4", so this is perfect for me. It's not too long, it's not too bulky, and it's great for just like overnight trips. I think I can get a couple of outfits in this. I don't think I'll be able to get much more than that. Maybe 2 pairs of pajamas and socks and stuff like that. So it'll be perfect for things like that. Oh, and also it has handles so you can carry it if you don't want to roll it. But this bag, y'all, was only $10, and to me that was a steal, and I just had to have it. So it is so bright on this camera. Next item, I'm gonna show a couple hair accessories that I have. The first one is a rainbow sparkly bow headband, and I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it just fits so good on my head. And I actually have a really big head, and it doesn't hurt my head at all. Sometimes I get headaches from headbands, but this one does not give me a headache. I think I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of the video. So this item is a Jojo Bow, and if you guys are not familiar with these, which I think most people are, this girl named Jojo, she's a singer, entertainer, dancer, and she also has a clothing line, and she has accessories too, and she is mainly known for her big bows that she wears in her hair. So she started selling those, and this one is a clip-in bow, and I think I got this from Marshall's. You can find these at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Claire's, Five Below. This one smells like cupcakes. Actually, I don't know if it smells like it so much now because I've had it for about a year. And it's got this adorable cupcake in the middle and these hologram sprinkles. The next accessory I want to show you guys is this beautiful rainbow necklace, and I know you guys have probably seen this in my videos. It is a rainbow necklace. It says made by MAC, and my friend made this necklace for me, and she does custom orders, so if you wanted something different, she's very unique. This necklace is very sparkly. As you can tell, even from the sides, there's sparkles all over it. And she put little sparklies inside too, and it's just so beautiful. I love this necklace. I wear it every opportunity I get because it really is just so beautiful, and it's so well made. So if you guys want something, her name is Ayesha Sha Sha. Yeah, I'll give you guys her YouTube, and you guys can go find her on YouTube because she makes videos as well, and she is so good at making her videos. So please go subscribe to her channel. I will put the link below. The best part about this necklace is that it lights up, you guys. I don't know if you can tell. You can see it, but you can't really see the back on this with the lighting and the camera and everything, but it is so beautiful when it's all lit up. So I just love that she added that little detail. So the next item I want to show you guys are these amazing glasses, and I got these from zenni.com, and I would totally recommend them, you guys. Their glasses are so cheap, but they're so well made, and they're great if you just need a pair of glasses to wear around the house or even everyday wear. They're great for that. They have so many different designs, but of course I had to choose these rainbow glasses. These are so beautiful. I'm gonna try them on for you guys. I seriously love these glasses. I should have worn them for my video, but getting dizzy because I have my contacts in, so I don't need to wear these too. These are so amazing. Okay, moving on. Next thing, this is so random, but I found this awesome pencil pouch. Well, I might use it to put makeup in at Dollar Tree. All right, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of fabric. The first one is this gorgeous mermaid rainbow fabric. Isn't this so beautiful? I got this from Joann last weekend, and I'm going to make a skirt out of it. Second material I got a few weeks ago, and it's this pastel rainbow fabric. I'm gonna make a skirt out of this as well because I love to make skirts. It kind of matches the design here. Not quite the same colors though. The next thing I want to show you guys, actually if you watch my videos you've already seen it, but it's this awesome fur rainbow bag that I made a while back in one of my videos, and if you haven't checked that out, I will link it down below so you can go ahead and watch that, and you can figure out how to make your own rainbow fur backpack. But I just love this backpack. I've carried it a few times. I think my favorite part are the fur straps on it. I mean, who doesn't need a rainbow fur backpack? Next thing I wanted to show you guys is this Bright Lights palette by Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and they do have an Instagram, so you can go to their Instagram, check their makeup out. It's really good, you guys. I've never tried anything else by them, but I love this palette. Look how beautiful this is. So it's actually what I'm wearing right now on my eyes. So yeah, I love this palette, and it's very inexpensive. I can't remember exactly how much it costs, but I think it was like $20 maybe. I really can't remember, but it's totally worth it. It's very pigmented, and it's very well made. Even the glitters on here are really good as well. I like to use those sometimes. Bright Lights palette, Pinky Rose Cosmetics. For this next portion of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys clothing. So I'm going to show you guys the outfits, and then I'll try them on so you can see what they look like and see if you want to purchase them for yourself or if you wanted me to make you something. So let's go ahead and start with the first outfit. The first one is this gorgeous rainbow crochet top. and I cannot wait to wear this again when it warms up outside. This came from Doll's Kill. I don't know if it's still available, but if not, you can try to look for it on Poshmark or something like that. And I usually wear these pants with it, and I know they're pajama pants, but I don't care because I wear what I want. These are from Peace Frogs, excuse me. And they have their stuff available on Amazon. This is where I got these, but that is the name of the company that makes them. And they're these gorgeous rainbow tie-dye pants, and I love these. Like, of course they're comfortable because they're pajamas, but I think it looks cute with the rainbow crochet top, but I will let you guys decide what you think about it. So let's go ahead and try on this outfit. The second outfit I have is very interesting. It is a fleece dress. I know a lot of people make fun of me for making fleece dresses, but once again, I don't care. And also it keeps me really warm in the wintertime, so joke's on you if you don't have a fleece dress because they are super warm. This one has elastic at the top, and then instead of like just sewing it together, I actually tied it together like one of those tie blankets. So it's tied in the front, and I'll let you guys see all of it when I try it on. And then at the bottom, it's tied off as well. And I just thought it gave it that extra, you know, creative flair to this tie-dye print. It's so fun. And I got this print, I think it came from Joann. It's been a while. If they don't have this exact print, they have something that's very similar, I'm sure. If not, you can look on Etsy. They sell fabric on there as well. To top it off, I made this scarf to go with it, and it has these cute little baby dolls. So let's try it on this outfit. So the third outfit is something that I did not make, and I don't know if it is available to purchase anymore. And if it is, it's very limited in the sizes they have left. They had plus size and, I don't know, regular size. It is a rainbow. Actually, they're sold separately, so if you wanted to just get the top, you could. So it's this rainbow top, and it's a stretchy material, so it's really comfortable. I wore this last year for my birthday in April, so it's been about a year since I bought it. And then the pants are rainbow as well. They were a little too long, so I had to cut the end off, and I still haven't hemmed it yet, but it doesn't fray, so there's really no need, I guess. But they are super long. And I guess I'm pretty short. And then it ties here in the front if you need to, and it's an elastic waistband, and these are this really stretchy soft material. I just love this print. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the third look on. Now that I've tried those outfits on, I think I'm just going to show you guys a couple more jackets, and then we'll be done with the video. I do have so much more to show you guys, but it would take me forever to show you guys everything. And as we get into this series, I'll be able to show more outfits in the videos and things like that, but I kind of just want to limit it to 3 outfits today, I think. But these, I'm just going to try on for you guys. So it's a couple of jackets that I have, and this one is a rainbow sweater. It buttons up in the front, and it says boring on the back, which I'm not sure why. I found it on AliExpress. I think it was about $30 or $40, which is pretty good because this is super warm. It's got this adorable little heart. I'll stand up and show you guys. So it's like pretty long. It's nice and big. I really like it. It goes with a lot of my outfits. So the second jacket I want to show you guys, you've actually seen before if you watched the Goodwill haul video that I posted a few weeks ago, and it was a unicorn onesie, and I told you guys I was going to make it into a jacket, and I did. So I'm going to try it on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. All right, so here's the jacket, and it was actually a onesie that buttoned up, so I didn't have to worry about the zipper. And all I did basically was cut it and hem at the bottom. But yeah, I love this jacket. I wear it all the time. And I can still put the hood up if I wish. It's so adorable. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of this series that I'm starting. I'm really excited about it. If you guys have any things that you do want to see in my closet, please let me know, and I can do a video about it. If you guys want to see a certain style or color or accessories, just whatever you can think of, I would love to hear your opinion. So please let me know so I can get some more inspiration for what I want to do, because I've only got a couple ideas in mind. So please let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. Sorry if the first video was a little rough. I'm hoping to improve on it a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment on this video. Tell me what you thought about it. I want to hear your opinions and thoughts, questions, all of it. Jack and I will see you in our next video.